WriteSonic, the best AI tool right now at the market. You can write anything, and it's totally a business AI tool. WriteSonic is an AI writer that creates SEO-friendly content for your Facebook ads, Google ads, and Shopify ads. It's SEO optimized and Pelgrim-free content. You can use them for your articles, blogs, etc. It's 10 times faster, and you can use them all of in your Twitter, LinkedIn, Google Chrome, etc. You can find high keyword traffics, and also you can engage platforms for your business. You can create to 3,000 words, and you can also rewrite content using WriteSonic. You can also chat with ChatSonic. It's Chat GPT based. It can give you pictures. It can write you anything. It's just like ChatGPT. And also there's a mid-journey alternative called Photosonic. You can generate AI images there. The next thing is that you can write content strategy, etc. You can change your languages. And also you can save time and also use quality content at the same time using WriteSonic. So the first thing you should do is open any of your web browsers, or you can open OpenGX, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, anything would work, and write down google.com. After writing google.com, you can type WriteSonic. After typing WriteSonic on your keyboard, press enter, and our official website will come here. WriteSonic Best AI Writer Copywriting Paraphrasing Tool. So you click the website, and we have joined their official website. So the first thing you should do is you can start creating your WriteSonic account for free. So the first thing you should click in this action button. After clicking it, then as you can see, that's been redirected to the sign in WriteSonic website. So the first thing you should do is that you can sign in with Google, or you can sign in full name and business email, and then you can sign up with OTP. So the first thing, the easiest way to sign in is just go with Google. So everything that you have mentioned in your Google account will be right there. So I signed in with my Google account, and our WriteSonic dashboard is opening. And let's get started. So as you can see, I've signed up and I'm in the dashboard right now. So there you can write AI articles. You can train ChatGPT on your data. So it's BotSonic. So it's basically ChatGPT, but it trains on your data, and it's ChatSonic. Also, you can write Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, Google ads, different types of ads using WriteSonic. So also you can use personal bios for your WriteSonic data. You can write product descriptions, Amazon's possible brands add headlines, Amazon product descriptions. You can also write Twitter threads, social media content plan, SEO meta tags, etc. and etc. As you can see here. So the first thing we'll do, we can go to our e-commerce area, and let's write product descriptions. Let's click the option. After clicking the option, as you can see here, you can write a product service name, you can write the service characteristics, you can write your brand voice, words length, keywords, quality type, and also you can name your document. So let's write our brand details. So as you can see, I have made my own product description example of a brand. So my brand name is EcoFusion X. So what is EcoFusion X? It optimizes a fresh approach to sustainability and innovation. So it makes eco-friendly and cutting-edge technology. It makes products that are eco-friendly. As you can see, I made a product server characteristics within the 600 word limit. I made brand voice, tone of voice. My brand voice is this one, EcoFusion X. It's my word length should be 100 to 150. But if you want to increase it, I think 200 to 300 words will look good. Here comes the keywords, sustainability, eco-friendly, that's inclusive, longevity. This is all comes under my brand name. So next it goes to the quality type. So this quality type means what WriteSonic will produce. So it's premium, which is ChatGPT 3.5. It has some pros and cons, but superior ChatGPT 4 is more good than premium ChatGPT 3.5. As you can see, you just need a business plan to unlock But if you want it to be free, you can just make it premium. And you want to increase your outputs, you can increase. If you want to decrease, I think 4 of our outputs of our product descriptions will look good. So let's generate, and let's wait for WriteSonic's to produce our product description. So as you can see, I'm in the library right now. So I think we will pick an article writer 5.0. So let's get started with that. So here you can just write any topic, and you can research articles, or you have some articles that you can upload from files. So I have some articles that I've made by myself. So let's upload some of those. So first you'll click upload files from computer. So I've opened some of my files. So let's pick any of those. So let's pick MK Ultra, or let's pick the Big Pharma Theory. This one looks good. Let's our file is being uploaded right now. Let's go next, and then our file has been uploaded. You can write additional information, keywords, brand, tone of voice. We can new brand of tone of voice. Let's pick theories related. That's it. Let's analyze. When you upload a file at least. So let's upload a file. Let's upload the same file to give more context. And it's synthesizing our brand tone right now. It's generating our brand tone, and it has been. So this is our brand voice. The brand voice comes across as authoritative, intelligent, with academic communication style. This is our theory. That was our PDF file. So let's name this Big Pharma Theory article writing, AW short form. And let's create our voice, and our voice has been created. The Big Pharma Theory quality type is this. Let's add in additional information. Let's just copy from our Big Pharma Theory. So let me go ahead and copy from our file. So this is our file, as you can see. So let's add additional information. Let's just copy this text. This would be a little bit too much. Till yes, okay, let's copy it and let's paste it there. Let's add additional information. And let's cut unnecessary paragraphs. And here, there we go. And let's add some keywords. So let's add theories. Let's add Big Pharma. Let's add medicine. This much is okay. This is just I'm giving as an example. So its processing is contracting Sonic, and as you can see, this is a final check. So the problem in here is that our word count is above. So of course this is paid, but if you want it to free, you can just of course decrease the information. Let's add our topic, which is the Big Pharma Theory, and there we go. It's generating right now, and wow, it has been generating. Wow. So as you can see, our article is being processed by our WriteSonic, and it's going good. So our balance is 9,430 premium words. So of course this balance. Of course, if you want to be a professional blogger, you have to get a business plan. But if you're just going for academic work, or if you just want to earn money through blogging or articles, you can just use this. It's completely free. I see it's going on and on. So this was my original theory. This is original my thesis, which was around 2,000 words, and this is our article, which has been summarized. Wow, look at this. Just within 1 minute, our article has been generated, and that's it. Let's go for another tool. We're back our library /dashboard. Let's do one last tool and let's add Facebook ads. So this is created by artificial intelligence. You can always use product service name. So let's just add quickly our Facebook ad. Let's generate it fast. So as you can see, I fill out the ads, our product service description. So our product here is an example. It's called Eco Harvest. So it's a sustainable agriculture and food brand dedicated to cultivating and delivering organic, locally sourced produced while minimizing environmental impact. So it's agricultural, but it's an agricultural brand, but it decreases the environmental impact. It does not affect our environment. So let's give occasion of Eid holiday, a Muslim holiday. Next goes to promotion, 30% of all sales, and let's generate. Our ad is being generating right now by our WriteSonic AI, and it has been generated. Wow. Celebrate Eid with eco harvest, sustainable and delicious organic produce, caters for far locally sourced goodies, make positive impact on the planet. And look, these are amazing. You can just save up time. You can just simply save up time. You can just write Facebook ads professionally. Just go to WriteSonic and look at this. This is looking amazing. You can use this in your Facebook ads. And as you can see, our balance is also low. So of course, there's 8,433 premium words left. But you can always make a new account with a new Gmail address. So I have literally 10 or 15 accounts. So you can use in Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome. So you can always use them and you can always generate free stuff. So just making a new account, a new Google account, or a new Microsoft Edge account, etc. And you can just generate stuff for free until your balance runs out and you can just pay up.